A very good afternoon to all the parents, teachers, my dear students. Parents, in this meeting today, as Miss Immaculate told you all, that we have been asked by the council to create awareness about this ongoing situation. Now, this is something that is not new to us. We've been facing this right from the month of March, and we are in mid-October now. So it's 7 months that we have faced this situation. We all know about it, but now gradually and slowly things are opening up. The lockdown is being eased out, and gradually it will open up completely. So we need to be aware of what's happening around us, because the safety and lives of our near and dear ones are very important. It's very important to all of us, and it becomes our responsibility as parents, as teachers, to guide our students, our children, to be safe, and show them that how they can be instrumental in implementing the awareness, implementing the methods in which they can protect themselves and their family, because children are going through a lot. This pandemic has taken an emotional stress on them. They are not able to see their friends, their family. They are not able to go to school. In school, many children tell us, Miss, we want to come to school. And we also tell them that, children, we are waiting to see you all in the school, but the situation is not allowing us. It's not permitting us. So parents, this awareness is basically for children, how we can motivate them, how we can keep them going with the stress that they are already going through because of this pandemic. So we will be presenting the slides, parents, and as and when the slides come, we will be talking on that. Here we have the onset. What are the recommendations given by the World Health Organizations? Now, this World Health, as we all know, World Health Organization, WHO. Parents, it's a request, please mute yourselves. The background sound is disturbing. It would be nice if everybody mutes. I'll have to see. I don't know from where the sound is coming. Anyways, let's continue, parents and teachers. So the World Health Organization recommends for the countries. Now, to help countries navigate through these challenges, there are certain guidelines given by the World Health Organization. How to plan guidelines in balancing and the demands of the current ongoing situation. There have also been guidelines on how, Miss, can you go down with the slides, on how the lockdown is going to be opened up part by part. As we all know, many things have opened up. Now we all know thoroughly what this pandemic is. It is a sudden increase in the cases of coronavirus, where people getting affected. So there are symptomatic people, asymptomatic people, and we know that person looking hale and hearty, fit and fine, suddenly is uh, detected with the COVID, with coronavirus. So parents and students, you need to be aware. Miss, can I have the next slide, please? So this, as we all know, originated from China in the month of December. Actually, the first case came in the month of November, and this was not opened up. But in December, it started spreading out, and in January and February, it was known to the whole world that we are going to face something drastic, but it would be so disastrous that we came to know only after actually experiencing it. And this is mainly related to the respiratory problem, that it affects the respiratory system of our body. And Miss, can I allow somebody outside St. Mary's to enter? Immaculate Miss?
Outside means outside
I
means
don't
who,
know.
miss?
Sharda Goswami outside
Ma'am,
St.
it
Mary's.
is a parent from my class. She's not able to use her child's ID, so kindly
Okay,
attend.
okay,
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 fine, fine.
okay, okay, no
Allow
problem.
miss.
Okay, Miss. All right. So this was then in the month later on, the Health Organization, that is WHO, named it as COVID-19. And there was lot of panic, there was lot of chaos, there was lot of misinformation about this in the beginning. Miss, can I have the next slide, please? And the symptoms, as we all know, are fever, sore throat, shortness of breath, loss of smell and loss of taste was detected later, but initially it started with cough, cold, breathlessness, fever, chills. But if we curb this in the beginning, if we have mild cold and cough, dear parents and children, we can take care of it. There are lots of remedies, there are lots of precautions that we can take. If we have trouble breathing, if there is persistent body ache, if there is persistent cough, we need to see our health caregivers. And before going to a health caregiver, we need to first take an appointment, because this is such a vulnerable situation where we are not safe anywhere. Right now, the situation is such that even while going to the doctor, we are very apprehensive. We have lots of things in our mind. Should we go to the doctor? Should we call the doctor on phone? And doctors are also busy answering patients on the phone. Sometimes they entertain, sometimes they don't. So children, parents, this is a very, very sensitive and a volatile situation where we as parents and teachers and the elders need to guide our small tender hearts, which are at the actually more stressed out stage because of the situation. They see the panic, they see the fear in parents, they see the panic around, and they feel God knows what's happening. I have a daughter, and she also keeps asking me, Mama, when this corona is going to go, because she's not able to meet her friends, she's not able to go out the way we were doing it earlier. So parents, let us all gear up as things are opening up. We have to gear up for all this, and we have to face it together. So the risk factor, as we all know, if a person, if we know a person is infected, we have to stay away. The person should not be ostracized from the parents. अगर जिनको इंग्लिश में नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, उनके लिए मैं हिंदी में भी बोलूंगी। जिनको कोविड हो गया है, उनको हमको सोसाइटी से बाहर नहीं निकालना है। जैसे कि हम आपसे इंटरैक्ट नहीं करेंगे, वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ देम। हमें उनका ध्यान रखना है। हमारे फैमिली मेंबर्स हो सकते हैं, हमारे रिलेटिव्स हो सकते हैं, हमारे नेबर्स हो सकते हैं, बिकॉज ये प्रॉब्लम कब किसको कैसे आ रही है ये हमको पता नहीं चल रहा है। The current case fatality rate is reduced. Now the trends are showing that the fatality rates, the death because of COVID, is reducing. The rate is coming down, but still we need to be very careful. And the people who are at more vulnerable stage are people with 60 plus age and some morbid problems like diabetes and other heart ailments and some other ailments. They are at the greater risk. So based on the available evidence, children are not at greater risk, but we still need to be very careful when it comes to our children. हमें अपने बच्चों का ज़्यादा ध्यान रखना है। We don't have to exactly go by the data saying कि बच्चों का रिस्क नहीं है। बच्चे जब नीचे जाते हैं, जब बाहर जाते हैं, बट अभी तो सब बच्चे समझ चुके हैं that they need to wash their hands regularly. After touching anything, after going out and coming in the house, they have to go for a bath. एक शावर लेना है, कहीं से भी जाकर आए बच्चे या बड़े, उनको एक शावर लेना है। They have to take precaution, utmost precaution, किसी को हाथ नहीं लगाना है, 1 meter distance maintain कर रहा है। If they have cough, if somebody is coughing, they have to stay away. कोई उनके सामने अगर sneeze कर रहा है, cough कर रहा है, they have to stay away. A kerchief, a tissue is a must that they should have in their hand, and they have to use this and immediately discard. अगर आप टिश्यू यूज कर रहे हैं तो आपको वो टिश्यू यूज करके इमीडिएटली डस्टबिन में डालना है। अगर आप कोई कर्चिफ यूज कर रहे हैं तो आपको इमीडिएटली उसको सैनिटाइजेशन में डालना है। किसी भी इंसान अगर माइल्ड कोल्ड एंड कॉफ है, उनसे भी हमको दूर रहना है, क्योंकि इसका सबसे बड़ा source is sneezing and coughing. Parents and whoever is unmuted can please mute एंड सबसे बड़ा स्प्रेड होने का इसका सोर्स है पर्सन टू पर्सन. एंड कॉफिंग एंड स्नीजिंग इज वेरी कॉमन, जो एक नॉर्मल कोल्ड एंड कॉफ में भी होता है. तो उसमें हम लोगों को उन लोगों से दूर रखना रहना है. टचिंग योर फेस एंड माउथ एंड नोज inappropriately. Children, this is for you. Do not keep touching your eyes, your face, your mouth, your nose every time. You have to be very cautious and careful. Children, why we are saying this, I know it's been 7 months from March. We are here. So we know now, बच्चों को भी सब पता है, but we have to keep reminding them. Because अभी लोग क्या हो गया है, इतने महीनों में बच्चों को आदत पड़ गई है, तो वो कई चीजें केयरलेसली हैंडल करते हैं कि ठीक है अभी है हो गया है. They are getting used to it. In the beginning they were more careful. जब ये स्टार्ट हुआ बच्चे ज्यादा केयर ले रहे थे, बट अभी ट्रेंड चेंज हो रहा है, बच्चे भी थोड़ा लाइटली ले रहे हैं. बट चिल्ड्रन, लॉकडाउन इज ओपनिंग अप, बट कोरोना हैज नॉट स्टॉप्ड. लॉकडाउन खुल रहा है. सूनर और लेटर जब भी काउंसिल की इंडिकेशन होंगी, स्कूल्स भी शायद खुलेंगे, जब भी खुलेंगे, वी हैव टू कीप दिस इन माइंड दैट दिस पैंडेमिक इज going on. Corona has not stopped. Vaccines and treatments are coming, but there is nothing specific. बहुत कुछ बोला जा रहा है, बहुत कुछ आ रहा है, बट ये एक ऐसी चीज है जिसके बारे में डॉक्टर्स भी प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं थे. डॉक्टर्स वर नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड, द पैरामेडिकल स्टाफ, the entire fraternity was not ready. The medical fraternity was not ready for something of this sort. So this is all trial and error going on. अभी सब एक्सपेरिमेंटल बेसिस पे हो रहा है. कई जगह अफेक्ट हो रहा है मेडिसिन का, कई लोगों को नहीं हो रहा है. सो हमारी तरफ से हम ये कर सकते हैं, व्हाट वी कैन डू इज बी विजिलेंट, बी अवेयर एंड टेक utmost care with our kids, our family members, because they are very precious to us. I understand sitting at home, being in the lockdown is not that easy. So we have to be safe. We have to be at home. Whenever we need to go out, children, we need to be very, very careful. This is again, I'm repeating that as things are opening up, the council, the school is also worried about the health and safety of the children. Every time there is a meeting held and we are asked to talk to the children that please be safe, please stay at home, please take care of yourselves, because school wants its children to be safe. So children and parents, this is, see, wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. There are many ads on this also. Dhote raho, dhote raho. So children nowadays, they do that. They keep washing their hands. So it's very important to wash before eating or preparing food. That of course we do. Touching your face. Then after using the restroom, after leaving a public place, after blowing your nose, coughing or sneezing, after handing your mask. And mask is something very important. It's become like a weapon for us nowadays. We need to have a very clean, nicely sanitized mask with us whenever we are going out. If possible, keep a spare one also with you, so that अगर एक मास्क खराब हो जाता है, हम कहीं बाहर जा रहे हैं, तो हम एक spare mask रखते हैं which is sanitized, and we can use that. And after touching your animals, if you are having pets and all, we need to take utmost care with the pets too. Okay, Miss, can I have the next slide, please? Yes. Again, it's washing hands, avoid touching, sanitizers, which have again one more weapon that we have got nowadays is sanitizers. Now even kids know that they need to take a small sanitizer with them when they are going here and there. So they carry a bottle of sanitizer, small bottle of sanitizers. So this is it's imperative, it's very important parents कि हम बच्चों में ये चीजें डालें, ये आते डालें जब बच्चे नीचे जा रहे हैं, बच्चे कहीं बाहर जा रहे हैं. बिकॉज एज आई रिपीट, अगर सब चीजें खुल रही हैं तो वी नीड टू टेक utmost care about all these things. Are we done with the slides, Miss?
Now,
Yes.
Miss.
So, and social distancing. I remember when we were in school, we were taught one arm distance while doing PT. So that one arm distance is applicable here now. जब हम स्कूल में थे तो ये सिखाया जाता था, take one arm distance. It is taught now also during physical training. एक वन आर्म डिस्टेंस लेना, जो बच्चों को अभी कंपल्सरीली करना है. टेक one arm distance, stay away, don't be in close contact to anybody, whether the person is infected or no. If the person is infected, definitely yes, we have to stay away. Even in normal cases, you have to keep distance, no shaking hands, no hugging anybody, just wave your hand and say hi, hello, just show your hand, no touching anybody. Outside your home, when children are outside their home, they have to keep 6 feet distance. Now cover your mouth and nose with a mask. Also, there is a way of wearing mask. I have seen people wearing mask and keeping it on the chin. So that is not, it is not a neck wear where we have to keep the mask somewhere here. It has to be on the nose, on the mouth. It has to cover your nose, your mouth, and the chin. I understand it is very difficult to talk while putting the mask on. So that is why we need to use, हमें वैसे mask use करने हैं cloth के, soft cotton cloth के, जिससे हमें बात करने में convenience हो, and there should not be any problem while talking. N95 masks and masks of higher grades are not for us. They are for the paramedical people, for the medical help givers. We have to use soft cotton mask, cloth mask, which is convenient, which helps us in breathing also. There is exchange of air also. We need to make this very clear with children also, parents, कि जब वो mask use, जो हम जो mask उनको दे रहे हैं, उस mask में air flow बराबर है, because otherwise that mask restricts the entry of the air in the body. And children, you have to keep this in mind, of course, everybody, all of us in fact, that you have to cover your mouth and nose when you sneeze or blow, and you have to use inside of your elbow, and do not spit in the, of course we are we have that civic sense that we do not do all these things in the open. Spitting and throwing trash here and there, use tissues, we otherwise also don't do. We are all from a civilized society, but it is for people who still follow this practice. Yes, Miss, can I have, yeah. Clean and disinfect frequently touched areas, like in the house when we have the doors, the kitchen tables, and other places where we touch regularly. Those places need to be disinfected with whatever disinfectant we are using. We need to disinfect those places regularly, time to time. And this habit has to be inculcated in the children also. So tomorrow, whenever they go to school, whenever the schools reopen, we are not sure about it, but whenever that happens, that thing is inculcated. वो इनके अंदर इतनी deeply चली जाए कि वो किसी भी चीज को हाथ लगाने से पहले सोचें कि हम स्कूल में आए हैं तो should we touch, we should sanitize. Of course, school is going to take utmost care. The guidelines will be followed, everything will be in place. This is not, we are not known, we don't know when this will happen, but we are just preparing everybody, parents and teachers, students, that you need to keep these things in mind. And anywhere you go, any place you go, you touch, you sanitize your hand, you touch, you sanitize your hand. All right, parents and children, Miss, can I have the next slide, please? Yes, and you have to maintain your health. How can we maintain our health, parents and children? By having regular basic exercises, breathing exercises that we can do, by having healthy food. I know these 6, 7 months have taken the junk food out from our lives. We are not able to order our pizzas and burgers that we used to do earlier very frequently. They're not available anymore. It started again, of course. Now, of late, it has started, but middle 5 months, we were not having any outside food, and that has really helped. The survey says that people sitting at home, when they were sitting at home, they had healthy food. घर पे रहकर जो लोगों ने healthy खाना खाया है और जो बाहर का junk food नहीं खाया है, उससे उनकी health पे काफी असर पड़ा है. It has improved. उससे that will boost the immunity. जो हमारी immunity है, healthy food से हमारी immunity अच्छी होगी, and that will again help us fight this virus. Because one basic thing that is very important इस वायरस के लिए, the studies, the data जो reveal कर रहे हैं, जिनकी immunity strong है, वो इस चीज से बाहर निकल के आ गए हैं। ये भी बोला जा रहा है कि ऐसे कई लोग हैं जिनको ये हो चुका है और उनको पता भी नहीं चला, बिकॉज उनकी इम्यूनिटी स्ट्रांग थी, दे हैव फॉट इट आउट. So parents and children, we need to boost our immunity. We need to take care of that. Eat healthy, and we have lots of guidelines in place for that. And for temperature maintaining, if there is mild temperature, if even mild symptoms persist, we need to take care of that. Do not take, पहले जब होता था थोड़ा सा टेम्परेचर होता था, we used to take it very lightly कि थोड़ा सा बॉडी वार्म हुआ है, but now it is not like that. We need to really take care. अगर थोड़ा भी टेम्परेचर राइज उतना, अगर आप देखेंगे अभी तो हर सोसाइटी में या एनीवेयर यू आर गोइंग, दे फर्स्ट चेक योर टेम्परेचर. थोड़ा भी टेम्परेचर हाई होता है, दे इमीडिएटली टेल यू टू लीव दैट प्लेस. सो पेरेंट्स एंड चिल्ड्रन, temperature maintaining is very important. So that basically means we need to monitor our health on day to day basis. And when are we supposed to get ourselves tested? अब इतनी लाइन लगी है for testing COVID के, we don't know कौन genuine है कौन नहीं है, are the labs fooling us or no? So we need to be cautious ourselves. हमको टेस्ट के लिए कब जाना है? We don't need to panic. This is, of course, the situation is out of anybody's control, but we have to show our children that we are the heroes of this war. ये जो अनफोर्सीन वॉर आया है हमारी लाइफ में, वी आर द हीरोज. वी एज पेरेंट्स एंड टीचर्स नीड टू पुट दिस इन आवर चिल्ड्रन कि हम इसको फाइट कर सकते हैं. We have to show them that this is a war and we are the heroes of this war. So parents, we need to keep this in mind. We all know there are like 2-3 types of tests that can be done. There is a viral test which tells you if the current infection is there or no. Then there is an antibody test which tells you, that you have to, whether you had the infection previously. It is not necessary to get the test for COVID done. Most people have mild illness and they can recover. As I told you earlier, they recover at home without medical treatment. When the symptoms become more, the fever mainly, the temperature rises, we need to take the next step, that is see the doctor and get the test done. So to reduce the risk at school, now see this comes the point where we are focusing on, is stay home when sick, perform frequent hand washing with soap and water. If not available, use alcohol based sanitizer. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, mouth with unwashed hands. Cover while coughing and sneezing with a tissue. Then throw the tissue in the trash and clean hands immediately with soap and water or a hand sanitizer. Provide adequate supplies for good hygiene and follow the routine cleaning and disinfection regularly. Parents, we come to the end of the slide, but this is an earnest request again from the school side. When we had the meeting with our sister principal yesterday, sister was really very concerned about the health, and sister has told that teachers, please talk to the children and please tell them to take utmost precautions and care to keep themselves safe and their family members. For us, well-being of our students and their family members is of very, very great importance. Thank you, dear parents and my dear students.